I am at Streetside Classics in Concord, North Carolina. And there is a bunch of amazing vehicles in here. I like this old Volkswagen bus. My friend Emil would love that. All the windows, I think there's 26 windows in that vehicle. We got Mustangs, we got Camaros, we got old Corvettes, we got Chevelles. This Chevelle is probably 80 grand. Let's see how close I am. $84,000. Beautiful cars everywhere. Chevy pickups. Give me an idea of how much my old truck is worth. See what this Chevy's got. $35,000 maybe? Good Lord, $64,000. It's got a big block in it. No, small block Chevy, but look how clean this truck is. Beautiful. Everything in here. It's quite mint. Old Sut, 60 what? 64? '66, the year I was born. Beautiful. Look at this truck. Look at this motor in here. Is that fuel injected? Turbocharged? I have no idea. Oh, there's turbos over there. All kinds of stuff going on under there. Here's a truck that's just like mine, but I have a long bed step side with a straight 6 in it. $45,000 for this, so I would say that my truck maybe is worth about $35,000. Old Nomad, aluminum radiator, all kinds of good stuff. Air conditioning, chrome everywhere. Beautiful. Let's check out this OBS Ford over here. This is right up Lucas Cole's alley. Alright, look at this F-150. How much for this bad boy? $24,900. That's not bad. $25,000 for this truck. Beautiful. Alright, Streetside Classics, Concord, North Carolina.